Know that the ride or die. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Boys by my seat. Know that the ride or die.
Oh shit, here we go again. Oh, is that a 2016 Volkswagen Autobahn Mark 7 GTI? Oh my god. Wow, look how dirty it is. Tell this kid to wash his shit, bro.
No,
What it do? What? No. What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you're new here, my name is Chris. We are building my Mark 7 on this channel. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there and hit that subscribe button. I'm getting good at this intro. All right. So today we're with my manager, and she said, so Meg came up with an idea that her friend wanted to do like a reaction video with us, and we're gonna go rip and cause some chaos in a video, and we're gonna go have a good time. So as always, if you guys are new here, don't forget, go down there, hit that subscribe button, because I appreciate you. We are past 1,000 subscribers. We're now on that journey to 10K. I've gotten so comfortable on camera now where it doesn't, it's almost to the point where I feel weird if I'm doing things and filming? Yeah, like if I'm like out ripping and I'm doing stuff and then I'm not filming, then I kind of feel like I'm like, I go to tell the camera and then the camera's not there and I'm like, where are the boys?
You do have some
ladies. Yeah, where, yo.
You never shout them out.
I know, comment below, where are my car girls, bro? God damn, like, they need more appreciation, okay? Where are y'all at?
Especially
hit me in the
from
comments.
You just ignore them.
I'm so sorry.
Oh god, now you're gonna cause all the shit in the comments and then be like, fuck you.
Yeah, so, alright, let's get into it. Peep the new setup. So, I got I'm gonna see which one sounds better, but I got a lav mic for in the car, so when I'm filming POV, reactions, anything like that in the car, which is like what I really like to do, and I want to give you guys like the best audio quality, and the GoPro is like good as it is, but it could be better. So, for testing out this is Mach 1. We've got the microphone and the GoPro mounted right here, and I've tested both of them, and I've tested this so far. I don't have the adapter for a lav mic yet, but this sounds really good so far. So we're gonna run that today, see what it sounds like, and do what we do best, bro. We're gonna let her eat. All right, let's get it. Juicy cold start for the boys.
Sugar Chin, nothing I can help you?
How you doing? Can I just get
1, 2, 2, sugar, malted, anything else?
I think that'll do it. Oh, that's really good. Ah, it's actually really good. All right, cut the ball. Let's get down to it. We need petrol and we're on the road.
Pave the way, put your back into it.
Come on, Jeffrey. Oh shit. Yo, you got the Tomei, dog? Oh, oh. 1, 2, 3. Come on now. Come on out now, Karen. Come on, Karen. Get on now. Get, Karen. On a funny note, does anybody remember the South Park episode with the Harleys that come through town? Best episode ever. I'm just gonna be that douchebag that's like,
I mean,
bad coffee, this Dunkin', they're all terrible. Exposed.
Okay, Karen.
All right, yeah, I'm officially a Karen.
Go on now, get.
Go on now, Karen. Go on, get.
That's what you guys do.
Welcome to the cabin.
Can I get that ball?
You just noticed the ball. I pointed it out when we came up.
He literally
I said, hey, my ball. Welcome to the cabin. Welcome, everybody. The new guest to the channel. Meg's friend, Lindsay. Welcome to the channel. And we're popping right into this goddamn reaction. All right, we're good. We'll start off small. Oh my god.
Chris doesn't kill her face.
That was terrible. It is so fucking loud in here. Good
Imagine
god.
you just come out and a cop standing there like hands on his hip.
I feel like I would just have to let it happen. in his ciggy
What
butts.
is that?
CRV?
What?
Who said that?
I don't know. I just heard like children scream. Chris, go to the
Hello?
left.
Hello? Go on now, get.
Go on now, Karen. Go on, Karen, get. Oh, right there.
Straight staring.
You see that sticker in the window? That was like the South Park guy with his pants down. Like mooning
Does that
someone.
mean you're closed?
Oh my god, my cheeks hurt already. What was that whistle?
Which one?
You
Oh,
didn't
my
hear that?
tire. First gear hits a little different with the pumps.
That guy's like, what the
Go right?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay. My stomach just f***ing dropped. Literally dropped.
Oh. He's like, what the hell?
That guy's like doing yard work and you could just see his mouth open and like, oh my god.
That lady's like 100. She's so upset. I'm so sorry. Yo, tunnel.
Yeah, that's the bridge, but I don't know how horrible the road is.
Oh shit. It's alright.
Yeah, maybe that's not a fast one.
Oh, it's a fast one.
Oh god. Careful, please. Careful. Thank you.
Are you telling him to be careful?
Ricky, okay.
Mind it.
Okay. Okay.
Here I go.
Okay.
Watch me go.
Okay.
Here I go.
Okay. We're okay.
Alright.
Okay. Is anyone else's head spinning?
No, ma'am.
I'm doing good.
Okay. Why is this like some spots are paved? It's like
I don't know. Kind
the
of like
other half
it.
of the road is nothing. Yellow.
Get on now, Karen.
Yeah.
That's a flat if I've ever seen it.
Yeah, it is.
Except for that bump right there. Oh. That guy's outside his house. I guess
There's a hearse there. Don't know how much I like that.
It's
maybe
waiting for
there's people
you.
staring at you.
Yeah.
That's what that guy did. But I oh they Jesus Christ.
Bro.
I love how I've been in this car like countless times and I still get like
I trust Chris.
Yeah, it's because like I don't actually like pushing my limits when
Yeah.
you're in the car. I know what this car can and cannot do.
Right.
But there's like times where if
But
I'm
I've
by
also
myself,
been in situations where people push a flat
Right.
out,
Yeah, they're an
like,
idiot.
Toyota Camry and
yeah,
then
it's totally different.
don't know how to drive.
I also grew up with kids that were dumbasses that thought they knew how to handle their cars and they
True.
couldn't.
And that's my
Like,
point.
You know, so like Chris driving, I don't feel like I'm gonna die.
Right.
He's just gonna have fun and go fast, and that's cool.
It's kind of just like what I do 24/7.
Yeah.
I've built the car. I know what it does, what it can't do.
Right.
I've already found the limits.
Right.
So like I don't like to push it if Meg's in the car or somebody else in the car,
Right.
because like that's not worth it to me. My dad does that shit and he's like, no, it's fine. I drive
I drive a truck.
No, but it's like I want to trust him and I know that I do because
Yeah.
again, he built it. So like he
Right.
knows what it can and cannot do, but
Right.
he's just like got a little less give a f than I do. So he's just like,
a little less give a fuck than I do.
Yeah.
or I like put a seatbelt on because we're going 100 around a turn that's like this.
Yeah.
He's like, what are you, fucking scared? And then he goes faster.
I fucking
And then-
love your dad with
yeah.
all my heart.
And then he wonders why I'm like the way I am. Let's get a little noise.
I like how he burps and just keeps going.
Yeah. Doesn't care. I get scared.
Wow, I could jump that.
Please don't.
Oh, wow. If we were going fast enough, you could definitely jump that.
Yeah. They're gonna pop out. It's gonna happen.
You're gonna what? Sick.
What'd she say?
Awesome.
I said, dude, it's gonna happen. They're gonna pop out.
I hate like the feeling of not knowing how bad a bump is until I like hit it. And then I'm just
Sure,
like,
Lindsay does too.
I feel like this video is funny in of itself just because we're hitting complete shit roads. Moose level.
What? What was that?
This is the brace. Yikes, it sounded like water splashing. I feel like we're just choosing the worst possible roads.
I know.
Sorry, I
No, it's okay. I'm not worried about it. I think it's funny. That's why I don't understand why people drive like very nice cars. Like, you just feel bad driving it. Because it's, if I come across a road like this, you know, I kind of want to be able to drive on it. Ooh, yeah! Yikes!
That was rough.
Let's go! As I was like, I don't know why people drive nice cars. Yo!
Weren't we like here before on this road for something? I don't remember what, but like, because the road he broke down.
You broke
on.
down last time we were here, right here!
Can we roll down the window so I can say hi?
Yeah, let the window down. This is Lindsay.
Hello.
We're I scraped really good through there. Tell you what, we're pretty much finding the shittiest roads possible and going as fast as possible. I don't know, but I scraped really good, I tell you that. It was a pleasure. What the fuck, so random.
That's so funny.
That's hilarious.
That's literally where he broke down right here. 'Cause
yeah.
he was racing the
we
Mustang.
parked
Oh,
right
yes.
there.
That's when the Newport cop came up. That felt a little rough.
Huh?
I said that felt a little rough.
Just had to wash all the rocks off, that's all. Nice. I'll be moving along.
Okay.
Okay. We dropped Lindsay off at her house, and now we're gonna boogie back home. But if this is the end of the video, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you had a good time, because that was very fun.
Yeah.
We hit a lot of really shitty roads, so go down there and hit that like button for me, because I'm gonna need it to promote this video so I make a little money, so we can fix her up, because she's gonna be shit after this. But
That was the most shameless plug I've ever heard.
shameless plug. Go down and hit that like button. No, but for real, like actually, because not a lot of people understand this. Literally, if you guys just go leave a like, it really does push the video a lot farther for me, which helps me grow faster as a creator, and it's kind of just like,
We
you
just
know.
treat them like idiots. I know you guys don't know this, but like.
Well, no, like
I was kidding.
you know,
I was kidding.
some no, like seriously, I'm just being real. That's the cutest dog I've ever seen. Look at his little
Same.
tippy tappies. But yeah, it really does, any kind of interaction with the video, whether it be likes or comments, really does push the video like twice as far as it could without it. So I appreciate you guys either way.
She's a rescue.
Hey, sweet girl.
Was left in a box on the side of the highway in North Carolina. And she had puppies, so you know the game we in.
Hey, sweet baby.
So we have a new dog. No, we found this baby.
We found this dog.
On the side of the road.
Trying to help. Yeah. Hello, vlog. What is good? Wow, that was interesting. We were on our way home, and then there was a dog running down the middle of the road, like she was on the main road that we were on, and then she went down the side road, and then down wherever we are now.
I asked Chris to follow her because I was scared.
Yeah, we were obviously like, okay, we should.
She wasn't running across the side of the road. She was running in the road. So.
She didn't have a collar on, and she was like clearly lost. Like she kept looking at every house and trying to figure out where she was.
Why is music playing? But yeah, we finally got her in the car at least, so we could get her out of the rain.
She, for some reason, was like halfway listening to me, and she was very sweet. She's literally the sweetest dog in the planet. And then she got in, and she was like okay with me, so she hopped in and was sleeping in the back seat. That's that one. You can see the fence. Either way, we rescued a sweet little baby, and they knew whose dog it was. She didn't have a collar on. That was like the actual problem. But they knew whose dog it was, and they got her home. So.
Whew, what a day.
Yeah, that was fun. Driving for 16,000 fucking years. Alrighty, bros. It's disgusting. It's raining. The weather is gross now. We saved a dog. We had a good time ripping. Today was an amazing day, and I'm glad she got home safely because she was a freaking sweetheart. Alrighty, bros. Stay tuned. Don't forget, if you're new here, go down and hit that subscribe button. Join us. We go fast. Have a good time. Don't get left behind. Trying to hit 10K. I think we can do it by the end of the year. Let's shoot for that. That'd be dope. It might not happen. That's a big stretch. If we hit 5 by the end of the year, that'd be a gigantic achievement. But I'm going to push hard and push farther. Because that's how we brew, bro. Strive to be better, my man. Always be looking for better. Settle for less. Never. You're amazing as a person. You want it, go get it, bro. Alrighty, bros. Just keep driving. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.